Next 72 hours could quietly reshape global powers. US has tightened control over Venezuela oil, but this time it's not about democracy. So this time it's about energy, trade routes, and strategic dominance. Venezuela has one of the largest oil reserves in the world, and again it matters the most. Because again it's not about the war of values, but it's about global interest. So the story circle backs again to the past where any country who opposes US for the oil where they say that they won't just trade in dollars but they are okay to trade in any currency and US just plot it against them. And the story always begins with the same way. So first the allegation, threats, weapons, human rights, a moral framework is revealed. Then comes global outrage, media cycle, emergency, submit, sense of urgency is manufactured. And then the intervention. We have seen this before. Saddam Hussein, weapon of mass destruction. Countries like Russia and US are opposing the attack not for the leverage of Peninsula, but for the global interests. Access because energy access, geographic proximity, and the strategic pressure against the US. Israel supports to the US because in global war, security loyalty runs one way. So here every country is acting rationally for itself. So now comes to the part that matters the most. India. So for India, this isn't any foreign news, but it affects Indian rupee, inflation, and the global oil prices. This time, the energy deficiency is not based wholly on oil. Autonomy, trade deficits, and economic resilience. India doesn't pick sides; it protects the outcome. History doesn't repeat its signals.